Hello everyone, I'm Janet. I'm the product manager from IoT Smart Manufacturing team. It's a pleasure to introduce our predictive maintenance solutions, Argus. Argus is the solution using the online diagnostic system to compare the rate of vibration and temperature of the same equipment. And what is Argus? Argus is a giant with 100 eyes in Greek mythology, and it is famous as Hera's watchman. So we maneuver our solution just like this Greek character. At any time, our solution could keep attention to customers' valuable assets. Argus also stands for the Avalue Real-Time Grasping Utility System. Predictive maintenance is a type of condition-based maintenance that monitors the condition of assets using the sensor devices. These sensor devices supply data in real time, which is used to predict when the equipment will require maintenance and prevent equipment's failure. Our Argus allows a company to identify key performing indicators of its assets and optimize them to boost overall equipment's effectiveness. By using the competencies of the Internet of Things, we at Avalue create a state-of-the-art remote machine monitoring systems that are pre-configured for different industrial verticals. The system can be installed for any industrial setup and empower facilities to improve their conventional operations. Argus can help you solve downtime and the pain points of maintenance. For example, it reducing the risk to take a huge loss in one's downtime, supporting your decision with multi-dimensional sensor data, and thus avoiding the idle waiting to save your valuable time. And there are 5 key features of Argus. The first point is notification. The user will immediately receive an exception notification to determine the equipment status in advance through the charts on the platform. It can save risk costs when the employee is insufficient and adverse the equipment status. Secondly, virtual online expert. Argus could detect potential issues and risks, turning passive maintenance into proactive maintenance. Next is inspection records and check analysis. According to the inspection records from big data analysis, determine the root cause of failure mode. The fourth key feature is digitization. Digitizing all tasks and data could help users quickly grasp any situation and manage the data with semantic, holistic, and historical records. The last one is a quick installing and model building. It is easy to install without cabling, and it can integrate measurements, analysis, database, and communication in one IIoT platform. Overall, Argus brings customers 5 benefits. The first one is reducing 70% of unexpected downtime. Secondly, improving 90% working efficiency. Next is proactive notification when detecting the risks. The fourth one is cost-effective with maintenance by actual damage. The last benefit is it is easy to install within an hour. And for the products in the Argus, we could divide into 4 parts. The first one is equipment from our customers, sensors, IIoT platform, and a web app service. For type of equipment, we choose the corresponding sensor to monitor the voice, temperature, or vibration, like accelerometer and industrial microphone. So, what is an acceleration sensor and microphone is? And how does it work? In addition, depends on your equipment needs, the Sentinel has 3 and 8 channels can be chosen. The architecture of Argus, our IIoT platform Argus, processing the data from the sensor and cooperate with Microsoft Azure. Thus, users could have complete information such as equipment status, inspection, voice print detection, event notification, and maintenance tray on the website or app. And for case studies, I would like to share 2 case studies with you. In the steel manufacturing industry, we 24/7 monitor the cold rolling plants in Taoyuan and Kaohsiung. Our solution provides a proactive notification for potential risks, and also digitalize the regular inspection for improving the working efficiency. In the past, predictive maintenance solutions need to be dedicated in the steel plant. Our Argus simplify the installation process to evaluate the overall efficiency. After implemented our solution, their factory reduced 88% of unplanned downtime and improved 90% of regular inspections. Moreover, it prevents 4.3 million potential lost. The other practical case study is chemical factory, which is 24/7 monitoring the air compression and pump. As our solution is simple and quickly installed, it saves 67% of time for cabling and improves 72% of regular inspections. Besides the previous case study, we also provide other modules for various industries. The table lists other detailed information. This part, we prepare some frequently asked questions from our potential customers, and there are 5 questions. The first one is, could Argus apply on my equipment? Typically, Argus could apply to the most common equipment in the industry, such as compressor, motor, and pump. Actually, any kind of equipment that could generate vibration could be applied with our solution. If you are not sure whether your equipment is suitable for using this solution, you could provide photos, brand, and model to contact our expert to gather detailed information. The second question is why you choose vibration signal to detect the machine status. Most common way to detect the failure of machine are temperature, vibration, and oil analysis. Vibration can indicate the abnormality of the equipment earlier than others, which enable the supervisor to schedule the maintenance plan with more time. Next question is how to mount an accelerometer to the equipment. There are numerous methods to install an accelerometer, depending on properties of the test unit, environmental conditions, and application. The sensor can be mounted on a magnetic base using adhesive cement or screw mounting. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. And let's take a look at this installation video. This video will briefly introduce the RENITY Argus real-time graspy utility solution. Argus solution can use vibration analysis to predict the trend of machine life and diagnose the root reason of machine abnormal. The IEPE accelerometer is a magnetic absorb sensor, and there are 3 points to be noticed. Firstly, it needs to install on the machine shop. Secondly, it needs to be slowly absorbed to the machine at an angle of 45 degrees. Also, should install on the right position and the flat position. And the last one is the most important point. It needs to close to the source of the vibration. On the other hand, users should avoid absorbing straight up at a vertical angle of 90 degrees and do not absorb on uneven position. In addition, the wrong position of installation will affect the collection and accuracy of data. After sensor absorb on the position, user can link to the exclusive web to check the status of vibration check. Argus can be used on various machines and fields, such as pump, motors, and compressors, and can use on steel factory, manufacturing plants, and energy center. Last, I would like to emphasize that Avalue is not only a hardware provider, but also become an integrator of IoT solutions. We are glad to share more information if you are interested. Thank you for listening.